Hello everyone, this is Fahim Ansari, Assistant Professor at today we will discuss about the friability testing of the tablets, how the testing of the friability of tablets are done, on which tablet it is done, what is the procedure and what are the limits and characteristics of the friability testing of the tablets. Firstly, what is the friability test? It is a test named friability. It is used to test the durability of the tablet and strength of the tablet during the packaging process and during the transportation of the tablets from manufacturer to consumer. This involves in this friability testing. It involves the repeated dropping of a tablet of the samples from a fixed height and over a fixed time using a rotating drum which have a baffle. Generally, or in simple words, friability test tells about how much the mechanical strength of the tablets and they are able to tolerate during the manufacturing, distribution, packaging, and transportation until it is handed over to the patient or the final products. Some of the characteristics of the friability tests are the following. The friability test is only performed on the compressed tablets and on uncoated tablets. This test is not done on the coating tablets. For delayed release tablets or the is not done, and the friability is usually done of that kind of tablet which are made up of sustained release or delayed release before apply the coating of that release or sustained release. And measurement or calculation of the tablet friability supplements other physical parameters also, such as tablet breaking strength and breaking force required or to that. Now we will come to the friability apparatus or the equipment or instrument used for the friability testing. Throughout the pharmaceutical industry, friability testing has become a safety technology, and the instrument is performed to friability test apparatus is called a friability or a friability tester. This is a very simple instrument and comes in a short tablet, and this is only done on the tablet, not or capsule or anything. Now there are the two types of the friability apparatus comes in the market, single drum and two drums. And these are the some characteristics of the friability apparatus or friabilitors. The friability apparatus is having a drum which have the following characteristics or the points. It is the material of constructions is synthetic polymer, and generally the drum is made up of polished internal surface and transparent, by which the internal tablet when during the rotation is also visible and subject to minimum static build-up. The internal diameter of that drum is between 283 mm to 291 mm, and the depth of between 36 mm to 40 mm, and inside radius is 75.5 mm to 85.5 mm, and the rotating speed which we fix for the friability apparatus is the 25 rotations per minute plus minus 1. Generally it is run for the 4 minutes, 100 revolutions of a tablets. This is a symptomatic diagrams and the measurements of the friability test drum. It is transparent in between. It is in the middle. There is a. It is connected with the rotating shaft of the machines, and the drum is made up of the PVC, and it is transparent in nature. And in the dimensions, you can see the dimensions of the drum. These are the tablets used in the pharma industries and or in the laboratories. It is on the left hand side we can see the single drum friability tester, or in the left right hand they are the two drums, so it is called the double drum friabilitors. Now we comes to the procedures, how the and number of the tablets comes to that. The tablets with a unit weight equal to or less than 650 mg, take a sample of all tablets corresponding to as near as possible to 6.5 grams. Means the tablets weights if below 650 mg, we can take the tablets which comes in the 6.5 gram tablets. Means if it weights is 325 mg of a tablet, then we will take 20 tablets, so that the total weight of 20 tablet becomes the 6.5 grams. If the tablet weight is 650 mg, then we take 10 tablets. But if the tablet weight is more than 650 mg, then also we take the sample of 10 tablets, 140 tablets. Now the second step, then the tablet should be carefully dedusted prior to the testing. Before testing, the tablets are uh, uh, dedust using a Kimtech paper or a polishing papers. Then accurately weight the tablet sample and place the tablet in the drum. Note the tablet weight, and then they are put into the drums. And then we start the set the speed of the drum is 25 rotation per minute for 4 minutes and for 100 times. Then after these 100 time rotations, the tablets are going upper and then fall from a fixed height. Then we remove any loose dust from the tablets as before as and polish using a king tag paper so that the accurate weight of the tablets comes. Then wait again after the process is complete. Then we come to the formula of the calculations. The calculate the percentage loss of the tablet by the following formula. The friability comes in the percentage. Weight W1 minus W2 divided by W1 multiplied by 100. W1 is the weight of the tablet initial or the before the test is done, and W2 is the weight of the tablet after tumbling or after it is revolved in the friability apparatus for 100 rotations. Then we can calculate the percentage loss of the weight during the friability testing. Now the friability testing, it should not be more than 1% of the total weight of the initial. Now accepted criteria. Generally the test is done the once. If obviously cracks, cleavage or broken tablets are present in the tablet sample, after tumbling the sample fails the test. But if the results are difficult to interpret or if the weighting loss is greater than the targeted value, the test should be repeated again. Repeated one time or the two times, and the mean of the three tests are determined. The maximum weight loss mean from the three samples not more than 1% is considered accepted for the most of the products. The chewable tablets and effervescent tablets or dispersible tablets may have the different specification as far the friability is concerned, as these are more fragile than the regular compressed tablets. But if the tablets get cracked or break into two parts or many parts, then it fails the test. Thank you.